guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Guys, I have a very special grocery haul today. We are going to be doing a Trader Joe's keto haul. So, if you didn't see my video about keto, what it is, why I'm doing it, definitely head down into the description bar. I will leave the link to that video below. So basically, I've been traveling and on the road since the summer and all self-control has gone out the window. So I actually did keto for about a month last year and I really enjoyed it. The best thing that I found about keto is it was able to reset my sugar cravings, which is such a big deal for me because I am insanely addicted to sugar. So the goal for my keto journey is to, 1, get back on track, 2, start monitoring my calories and cooking at home, 3, reset my sugar cravings, and 4, hopefully lose a few of those pounds that I picked up while I was on the road. By no means am I a keto expert, but I did do it last year and I did get into ketosis, so we're gonna try and do that again. Also head over to my Instagram. It is at HelloKristenTV. I am always posting my stuff in my Instagram stories, all of my recipes, ideas, things that I'm doing, grocery hauls. Head over there and check that out. Without further ado, let's get started. So I just got a brand new camera and I'm still working out the settings and the lighting and everything. So if the video looks a little bit weird, if the sound is a little bit off, I apologize. Let's start with meat. So you're not only supposed to eat all high fat meats. I know some people say that you do. I'll leave links to the research in the description bar below. Basically, in the morning is when your body can handle the most amount of fat. So you should eat like some eggs with extra egg yolks. And for lunch, they actually recommend going a little bit leaner with meat and getting your fat sources from something else, maybe like coconut cream or olive oil. So just something to keep in mind. Thomas DeLauer explains it way better in his video, so link below. But anyway, we got some organic, boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm gonna put this into my Instant Pot and make shredded chicken, and I can use this for all kinds of dishes, taco salads and Cobb salads with this. I also picked up this organic ground beef. It is 85% lean, 15% fat. And the best part about this is it is no antibiotics, no additive hormones, and it is 100% grass fed, which is so important. Things can say that it's just grass-fed, but if it doesn't say 100% grass-fed or grass-finished, then for the last 6 months of the animal's life, they could feed it grains, and it can completely undo all the benefits of it eating grass its whole life. So just be mindful of that. I've tried this before, and I absolutely love this. This is great on top of like zucchini noodles with like a cream cheese sauce or in like a zucchini lasagna. This is good as like a burger with cheese, no bun. This is good in taco boats, taco lettuce wraps. So excited for this. I love this stuff. It's really good. I picked up prosciutto. The one really good thing about the Trader Joe's prosciutto is that the only things in here are ham and salt. That's it. There's no artificial ingredients. It's all natural. It doesn't have any weird things in it. It's just ham and salt. So this is really great snack. You can eat this with like some cheese on the side, dip it in some mustard. It's really good. So I also picked up some Trader Joe's no sugar added bacon. So I try not to do a lot of bacon, but I am gonna be doing like some of these like lettuce wraps, and I thought it'd be good to crumble some bacon on top of it. Don't go crazy with the bacon, but it is great to crumble up on some of your stuff to give you some extra crunch, and like bacon is just so good. Anyway, when you're getting bacon, make sure that you get the ones that have no nitrates added. You want to make sure that you get ones that don't have any added sugar or sugar in it. I know all of the ingredients in the back, there's not a lot of stuff in here, so really love it. And this is also lower sodium. I also picked up some wild sockeye smoked salmon. If you can, try never to get farm raised salmon. There is a crazy documentary about farm raised salmon on Netflix. Definitely go over there and check it out. And the craziest thing is that the worst offenders of farm raised salmon are like the Norwegians. Yeah, so definitely avoid them at like all costs. I'll leave the link to that Netflix series below. There's 0 carbs, 0 sugars, 100 calories, 6 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein. So that is it for the meat. Let's get into veggies. I picked up some organic romaine lettuce, and I'm going to do like the taco boats in them. So I'm gonna use this as like a lettuce wrap. I'm also gonna chop some of this up and put it into a salad. Same with this guy. This is just iceberg lettuce. So one of the best vegetables that you can get when you're doing keto is asparagus. It is very, very low carb. It is so freaking tasty. It's so easy to make, and it's a really, really good prebiotic. So it's like fiber for your good gut bacteria. So your gut bacteria eats certain kinds of fiber, and asparagus is a kind of fiber that they really, really like. So highly recommend asparagus. You have to really be careful because so many vegetables that you don't think would be super high carb, like bell peppers, are really high carb, and they can just completely throw all of your stuff off. Another thing that I love doing, even when I'm not doing keto, I eat zucchini noodles all the time. I love making zoodles. I just have a little spiralizer. I almost never eat pasta anymore. I only make zucchini noodles, and I don't miss it at all. I also picked up a bag of avocados. It's 4 avocados for $3.99, which is a pretty good deal. By the way, guys, if you want your avocados to stop ripening, throw them in the fridge, and it really slows down their ripening process. Fun fact, just discovered that one. I also picked up a bag of organic lemons. I have been on a lemon water kick recently. When you're doing keto, it's like an apple cider vinegar drink, and you use apple cider vinegar, a little bit of lemon, pink Himalayan sea salt, and cream of tartar. I'll be making a video on that pretty soon and what the benefits are of it, so stay tuned for that. I picked up one thing of this organic heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna use this, just a dash of it, in my coffee in the morning. And I also picked up some of the Trader Joe's organic coconut cream. This is like the heavy coconut cream, and I'm gonna be using these in like coffee recipes, anything that you would use milk for, basically. I'm gonna be using it with these. I also picked up some of this Kerrygold pure Irish butter. Everybody says about how good this stuff is, so we got it. I picked up this Trader Joe's organic flaxseed oil. One of my favorite YouTubers, she always raves about flaxseed oil and how it has really good benefits for your hair and your skin and all of these things. And she's not even doing keto, but it's really, really good for you on keto. And the best part about it is it has 7 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. So you definitely want to increase your omega-3s, decrease your omega-6s, and this one has a really good ratio of omega-3s to omega-6s. I also picked up this Trader Joe's Green Goddess salad dressing. I love this. I have raved about it before, not even when I'm doing keto. I love this all the time. These are the only ingredients in the whole thing. 2 tablespoons is only 20 calories, 2 grams of fat, 1 carb, 0 sugars. It's so, so good, and it's a really good flavor boost. I also picked up this sockeye salmon. This is wild caught. Thomas DeLauer like super raves about this, so we're gonna try to make something with this. I'm thinking of maybe putting some of this on top of these Norwegian crisp breads, and I'll talk about this in a second. But wild caught Pacific salmon, and it's, I don't know, well, I've never tried this, but we will try it out. So speaking of this Norwegian crisp bread, the total carbs, so for 1 cracker, 1 very large cracker, there's 6 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber, so the net carbs are 3. And this is just to use if you are like craving crunchy, because there's not a lot of like real big crunchy things, or if you're craving like bread, this would be great. I'm gonna put some cream cheese on here and some of the smoked salmon, or maybe even some of the sockeye salmon, and I think that would be very, very good on here. I also picked up these fresh mozzarella balls. Actually, it's burrata, so it's mozzarella cream. It's mozzarella filled with cream, and it had pretty much the same nutritional content as the regular mozzarella balls. So I love mozzarella balls. Decided to give this guy a try. I also picked up this Geneva pesto. Everybody raves about how good it is. So maybe I will put a little bit of this on top of my shredded chicken. I also picked up Italian organic extra virgin olive oil. I mean, when you're doing keto, olive oil is pretty much a staple. Speaking of, I also picked up this organic extra virgin olive oil spray. The best I've raved about this in previous grocery hauls, not keto related. This is one of the only cooking sprays that don't have any added like expellerant or things that help the oil to keep it from like sticking and clogging up. The only ingredient in here is organic extra virgin olive oil. Absolutely love this for cooking, regardless if you're doing keto or not. Dark roast coffee, I've had this before. I really, really like it. And I also picked up some of these brown paper filters to go with the coffee. Coffee is really, really good for you when you're doing keto. It's a great way to kickstart like your metabolism and just, you know, get things going. It's supposed to help you get into ketosis faster. So definitely wanted to pick that up. I also got, not keto, I mean, this is whatever you want. This is alkaline water with electrolytes. The pH value is 9.5 and alkaline water is supposed to be so good for you. I'll leave some stats on the side over here about alkaline water if you are interested. I also picked up these Trader Joe's organic kosher sandwich pickles. You have to be careful about some of the pickles. They are not all carb free. This one does not have any carbs, and I thought that these would be good maybe if I was doing a ham, cream cheese, and pickle roll up. These would be great. And the last most exciting thing from Trader Joe's, this is a brand new product. It is keto collagen. What? It's keto collagen with MCT oils from coconut oil, and it is chocolate. So that is all I have for this haul. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.